but finding the area of a cylinder. Okay, so to find the area of a cylinder, we need to understand what the shape of a cylinder looks like. So a cylinder is going to have a circle base. Okay, this is bad, but there you go. Okay, so that is a cylinder, right? So basically we have a circle base, right? And then and basically, I don't want to kind of get to these layers, but you can see that that same base is just being basically repeated and like layered on top of each other, right? So you could do like layers of this adding on top. So the way to kind of find and I'm assuming they wanted the surface area. So to understand the surface area, we basically need to create what we call the net. So the net of this is basically going to be like if this was wrapping paper or something, yeah, basically like wrapping paper. So I don't know what present this would currently be, but if this was going to be something you needed to like wrap, what basically would you be covering this with? Well, we're going to have a top, which is a circle, and we're going to have a bottom, right? So we can just call this top, we'll call this base, and we'll call this sides. Okay, so to find the surface area, we obviously have the height, right? So we'll call this the h, right? We obviously, for both the top and the bottom, you can see those are the same. So really only need to figure out this once. And so therefore we're going to have a radius, right? Now we need to figure out the area. Well, again, remember the area of a circle, area of a circle equals pi r squared. And then the other thing we need to figure out is, well, how far is it from here to here? Well, how far is it all the way around the circle? Well, again, remember that's the diameter, right? So the diameter of a circle equals 2 pi r. So again, everything is relative to r, but again, from here to there is 2 pi r. Okay, so and then this area is going to be pi r squared. That area is going to be pi r squared. So the formula for surface area, or at least explained, is going to be pi r squared, which is like, let's see this. It's basically going to be the top plus the base plus the side. And I don't know why I call that sides, because there's only one of them. All right, so let's kind of break this up. The top is going to be pi r squared. The base is going to be pi r squared. And the side is going to be, that's a rectangle, right? So it's going to be 2 pi r times h. Well, these are combined, so we can say 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times h. And that is the surface area. Now, obviously, you could simplify this a little bit further. You could take out a 2 pi r, I guess, if you'd want to do that. So that'd be r plus h, maybe. I don't know if that's any simplified answer or not. But there you go. That's at least the formula and at least understood as far as how we got those side lengths. So hopefully